What are we doing?
Moving exhaust.
Oh yeah? Did we maybe get a little bit embarrassed?
Why?
By the Rock Auto hallway? maybe it was a good hint?
Well, actually putting the exhaust on today.
Oh, it just happens to be.
I'm not embarrassed.
See, so pro tip for everybody. You don't need to nag your partner to do stuff. You just need to embarrass them. You just need to put it on a public forum. Ah! You just need to put it on a public forum, and then they'll do what you want them to do. Pro tip.
We live in a mess. Doesn't matter if it's a garage or the house.
What can we say? At least we're both messy.
I know. I need someone who's not messy.
They would dump you so fast. That relationship would not last.
You don't know that.
I think we all know that.
Just want to grab the mufflers and camera on your way out?
This is too heavy.
Put the camera in your pocket.
Am I coming out?
Oh, the dog in to see the chaos.
Oh no! No! You gotta move this! No, they're trapped! Oh, she did that pretty good. Oh no, she's trapped.
This is like the episode of The Simpsons. You just gotta send more people down the water slide.
And then eventually they'll push through. Alright, well, I'll meet you out there. You got it!
Man, I feel bad for the mailman.
It was very heavy and like awkward.
You gotta watch this.
Frankie, come here. Oh, good girl, you listen. What a good listener. That's how most people move parts, right? Just drag them.
Awkward.
Stay here, please, Frankie. Come here. Oh, good girl. Whoa! Oh, that was a big jump. Hi. Steve, say hi.
Woo!
Wow. You, the
never
maturity.
Yeah. Oh, look at this piece. Oh. It's like a horn. Well, out of tune, but pretty good.
You're very talented.
Wow, I didn't know what they sent here. This is awesome.
So is that just to help it if it has to go around funny spots?
Well, I assume this is going to go up over the diff. Shunk. Watch the paint, man.
You just made 10 people are gonna message me saying they're unsubscribing and they're mad.
Real polish it.
Those are very loud.
Huh. Oh, that's gonna be sweet.
Like it when you get stuff you're excited about because you're just kind of like, you're like, oh man, this is awesome. And then you're like just silent, but like happy. You got like a little smirk.
Well, I didn't know what was really in the box. I didn't do a whole lot.
What's in the box? Did you get it? Did you get my joke?
Yeah, but there wasn't a head in the box.
I've actually never seen that movie. Did you just spoil it?
Yeah. Gwyneth Paltrow's head is in the box.
Whose head's in a box?
Gwyneth Paltrow.
Ooh, that's awkward. They used to date, hey? Brad Pitt and Gwyneth Paltrow?
Yeah. All I know is I have my shot with Angelina because he's not in there anymore.
I would like to say you do not have a shot with Angelina.
Why? She's in the... I don't know, rescuing things, isn't she? Like kids and shit?
I don't know if that's the term, but adopting?
It's like a rent-to-own situation. I could be a kept man, trust me. I
don't think you could. I don't think there's any way. You could work on hot rods all day long, but you would get like, you wouldn't like not like. I think you really like paying bills.
Angelina's credit card and a nice big shop, I'd be set.
What if Angelina doesn't let you like work on cars? Then she makes you go to like premieres and stuff.
Why? She'd accept me for who I am. She's Angelina.
I accept you for who you are.
I pay for everything.
Yeah, so you make it really easy for me to accept who you are.
Yeah.
Duh.
Literally just taking up space where I need to put the card over to.
But I'm sitting
Well,
here.
I make this like $700 this month.
Really? $700? Maybe $5.
Gross, we're not paying tax. It's America.
We are now.
I know.
YouTube got caught on, and now we're paying tax on our $100 a month.
LG, baby.
LG.
Oh,
Do you actually need me to move? Should I move? That sounded painful.
Yeah, I'm gonna swing the car over.
Alright, well, I'll do that then.
Alright.
Alright. Look how good of a mood you're in, just from a box of mufflers.
Yeah. What can I say? I like boxes of pipe.
You're very strong.
Well, I'm basically Aquaman. I've got the hair.
I mean, that's accurate.
Well, I'm more like Fat Thor.
Yes.
With smaller arms.
Everybody liked Fat Thor.
Well, because he was relatable.
Just eating his guacamole and chips, being sad.
Basically, we live our lives. One potato chip at a time. This thing is much heavier with a motor in it.
Oh yeah, I guess you're not used to things with motors in it. You've been working on the Dodge.
Why buy something with a motor in it?
Because it's too heavy.
Yeah.
Lesson learned.
This thing, actually, that little winch was freaking to pull it up in here, I tell you.
Well, I feel like this is a pretty heavy car.
But it should be the last time. You got mufflers on it.
You just jinxed it.
I can drive it. Oh, whatever. Stuff breaks.
True enough.
What I want to do is I want to get your car maybe the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So I want to take the mufflers off your car and switch them for the mufflers on the 55.
Okay.
The 55 is kind of too quiet for my liking.
Right.
The car is rowdy.
Mine's very
I love
loud.
the way your car sounds, but it's a little.
It's a little much for me.
It's a little on the excessive
It's a little much for the, you know, going to get groceries, driving my girlfriends around,
It just doesn't suit your car.
going to work. So, a little quieter would be okay.
Yeah, the mufflers on the 55 are quiet.
Also, Dan was making fun of me because my makeup today, I guess I look like a zillennial, and I started parting my hair in the middle. But, like, I can pass, right? Right? Zillennial! TikTok! I don't know what else zillennials are into.
Canceling everything, fun.
Oh, too real, too real. Why are you moving this all over?
What's this?
Why are you moving this all over?
What do you mean moving it over?
Well, like, why are you moving the car over and stuff like this?
There's more room when the car's in crooked. And now we have lots of room around the toolbox.
True, true.
And I'm gonna do the exhaust, it's kind of irrelevant. It's gonna be under the car bunch, so I'm actually gonna put on stands and then put some blocks of wood under it so I can lift it up even higher.
Oh.
Oh.
Tricks of the trade.
When you can't afford a hoist or a shop, you can use your floor jack your old man gave you when you were 18. It's probably on sale.
I mean, it's lasted a long time.
Yeah. Christos, baby.
Alright, well, I guess I'll stop annoying you for the next 5 minutes.
Good luck.
We'll see if I last that long. No!
Oh, how are you going to stop annoying me?
I won't. I just mean on camera. You're stuck with me forever.
What's for supper?
Probably nothing.
Right on.
It's Saturday. We order out.
What in the... How did it...
What happened?
There's a piece of wire caught in this somehow.
Gentle, gentle. Oh my gosh.
That hurt my ear a little bit.
Yes. It hurt all of our ears. Pump, pump, pump it up.
Pretty much.
Okay. I actually am gonna go away now.
Bring out some chips.
Yes. I can bring you some chips. You want them dill pickle ones?
No, those are terrible.
What do you want?
I don't know, what do you got?
Doritos.
Yeah, I'll sell those.
Do you want just plain Doritos or do you want Doritos with cheese?
Surprise me.
Plain Doritos it is.
Sounds good.